How to make tandoori masala chicken on the cooker. This is my way. It's different. Yes, I said different because always tandoori chicken you can do with oven or grill, barbecue. So this is food original from India. So I'm going to show you ingredients. Here I have breast chicken tenderloins, breast chicken tenderloins, and here I have cooking oil, I have tandoori masala, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, you can see here, black pepper, and lemon. I already put lemon. I'm going to use very little oil for tandoori chicken because you don't need to have too much oil, Oh, the salt is going to be the last because I want to put it very little, not too much. That is. Ready to cook. So okay, I'm going to flip them. Smell delicious, smell good. Okay, I'm going to flip it the second time, which is going to be the last because I think it's already cooked. Yeah. Tender and juice. So tender. Okay, that is. They're ready. It doesn't take you longer. It's just like 15 minutes. So you can serve this with anything you like, mashed potato, vegetable. So for today, I think it's enough. I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe, leave comment, like my video.